A heinous crime has occurred inside Anna University that shook the entire state of Tamil Nadu. In fact, opposition parties are conducting various forms of protest to highlight demanding justice and claiming that there is a deterioration of law and order. We have Khushbu Sundar, who apparently is going ahead with a justice yatra. What is the purpose of this yatra, ma'am?
The purpose is only one, that we need justice. And it's not about this child alone, what happened at Anna University. I think it's extremely important. You see in the last 4 years, the kind of law and order situation in Tamil Nadu has deteriorated, and how the ruling government has been a blind, mute spectator to this. So we need to wake up. We need to wake them up. We need to wake up the others. This is just because we belong to BJP does not mean that it's only BJP. We want people from different walks of life. If the other parties, even if they happen to be an ally with DMK, the ruling government, if they want to join us, we would say please welcome, because this fight is for the safety of a woman, for safety of every child. Today, that child could be from my family, from your family, from anybody's family. So when the safety of a child and the protection of a child comes, we all need to stand together, breaking the barrier of any political party, breaking the barrier of anything which holds us back politically. I think women cannot be measured, or their safety cannot be measured with the political background. It's a child of Tamil Nadu, a child of this country whose life has been battered brutally, and we all need to stand together for that.
The government machinery claims that the accused has been arrested. A special investigation team has been organized. Are you satisfied with this reply?
Definitely not. The culprit was let go the same evening, and then again he was arrested, and then the investigations are going on. I would like to ask, we have seen so many rapes, we have seen so many sexual assaults, we have seen the huge tragedy in Kalakurchi, we have seen what happened in Kanyakumari, we have seen what happened in Pudukkottai. What happened to those cases? Are we even aware? Do we even get to know that somebody is arrested, or somebody is let go, or justice has been provided? No. We turn a blind eye. Today we speak about it, and again in 2 days later there will be something else and we'll forget about it. So I think it's high time we stop playing with the integrity and the respectability of a woman, and say that no, till we don't get justice, we are going to fight. And this is why we are coming up with this justice rally tomorrow, where we want everybody to come and join us.
How much do you believe in the special investigation team?
With the state, zero.
And also, one of the arguments from the DMK's end, presumably, is that Anna University and many universities do not have a vice chancellor owing to the governor's decision. So, one of the presumable argument is that the governor could also be responsible for this. Do you agree with that?
It's like a school child, where why haven't you done your homework, when the teacher asks, no, this boy last evening he took away my pencil. Then he'll say, no, I didn't have my sharpener because my pencil was broken. I didn't have an eraser because my other friend took away my eraser. These are very childish explanations which have been given. Vice Chancellor, is Vice Chancellor only responsible for the problems that happen at Anna University? Okay, you're talking about Vice Chancellor, what happened in Anna University. What about the other incidents in Tamil Nadu? You mean to say this is the only sexual assault on women in Tamil Nadu in the last 4 years since you have come to power? Why is that you have turned you have turned a blind eye to all the other incidents that have happened in Tamil Nadu? What have you done about it? So these are very childish explanations, and I am not surprised that that comes from the DMK government or from the Chief Minister, because I'm not expecting anything better from them.
In case you are halted tomorrow and stopped from conducting this particular yatra, how are you going to respond? I'm asking this because various opposition parties' protests have been curtailed by the government.
We will continue, and we are prepared, because we have not been given permission. We are denied permission for this very peaceful justice rally which we want to take it out. And you don't give us a permission, we'll still will continue. We shall continue with this. And if you want to remand us, if you want to arrest us, please go ahead. We are not worried. We are not scared.
How does Kushbhu Sundar see the condition of women, children in the state of Tamil Nadu when it comes to safety and security?
I wouldn't want to curtail the safety and security within the boundaries of a particular state. Me as a woman, me as a mother, I would say that what happened in Anna University, what happened in Sandesh Khali, what happened in Kerala, what happened in Telangana, what happened in Odisha, what happened in Uttar Pradesh, what happened in Manipur, what happened in every corner of this country shouldn't happen. I wouldn't want to curtail a woman's problem to a particular state. But yes, the problem in Tamil Nadu has deteriorated in the last 4 years. everybody is quiet, everybody turns silent, everybody goes into that gajini mode where they have a time being amnesia. They don't remember anything what has happened because they want to look forward, forget what happened in the past and look forward. My problem is, until unless you do not solve the issues of the previous problems, how are you going to take forward with the new problems? So I think it's high time we all come together and we say that this needs to stop. A woman cannot, her modesty cannot be outraged in such a manner.
Last question, ma'am. What exactly do you want the Tamil Nadu government to do at present and take care of this as a solution providing to this?
Bring in new laws. Stop supporting, stop protecting the culprits because they happen to be close to one of your ministry, they happen to be one of your functionaries, they happen to be somebody from the party, or they know somebody from your party who comes up that, "Arey yaar, leave them aside
Are
now."
you saying that he's being protected by DMK?
I want to know who is the sir, Sir Solida Vitto. Who is that sir? That is the biggest question. That is what the cop said. He was let go because sir said. And who is that sir? So somebody, the government, the police will not listen to anybody else, whether it's your higher official or somebody from the governing body. We need to know who that sir is. So it has to be somebody who has a higher say, right? So who is that sir is what our question is. So why that nobody is talking about it? Why the government themselves is not talking about it or trying to investigate that who is that sir the cops are talking about on whose behest this culprit was let go?
Thank you so much. That was Kushbhu Sundar, who claims that the protests will continue as long as the victim gets justice and overall safety of women and children are ensured. Divya, Pramod Madhav, Fudge Time.